120 over 20.
equals
120.
V over
Right.
I. What is V? 120 over 20 equals 6. This is the unit ohm. أعطي كأنها رمز أكثر من أنها اسم. ohm. 8.
The light bulb used in a computer projector has a resistance of 80 ohm. What is the current through the bulb when it's operating on 120 volts?
What are the givens? We have the resistance and we have the volt. He wants you to find, so the current equals V over, what is V? 120 over 80 equals,
1.5.
until now it's straightforward.
Yeah.
كلها straightforward. 10, number 10.
A 150 ohm resistor is connected to a variable voltage power supply. A, what voltage is necessary because a current of 0.3 ampere is the resistor. B, what current flow in the resistor when the voltage is 18 volts.
The first one, A, he wants you to find the voltage.
Equals I now.
I multiplied by R. What is I? 0.3 multiplied by 150 equals 45. What's the unit? Volt. B, he wants you to find the current flow when the voltage. So we have changed the voltage. So the current is going to be changed. Okay? It's going to be V over R. What is V? 18 over 150 equals.
0.12. 0.12.
What's the unit?
100.
12. So he wants you to find out what's the electric eel. Eel نوع من الثعابين الموجودة في الماء اللي إذا جيت لمستها كيف الوسيلة اللي تدافع فيها عن نفسها مو بالسم وإنما بإيش؟ كهرباء، تعطي كهرباء. شفتوها في الأفلام أو في الكرتون whatever. لكن يعني موجودة عندنا كثير، لكن إنها هي من نوع الثعابين اللي تعطي شوك، تعطي كهرباء. فالفولتج الناتج عنها 400 volt and the current is 0.5. He wants you to find the power. What is the power output? P equals I multiplied by V,
200.
which is 0.5 multiplied by 400, which is
200.
200
What?
watt. 200 watt. 14.
Electrical outlets in the room connected in single parallel circuit with a 7 volt. The circuit is effectively into fuse and the voltage is 920 volts. What is the maximum power that can be supplied by the outlet without being reduced? How many 1200 watts appliances can be plugged into the sockets without blowing the fuse?
What are the givens here? We have the volt and we have the current. He wants you to find the maximum power, so or the power equals I multiplied by V. What is I? 20 multiplied by 120 equals
2,400.
what's the unit?
What?
Number 2 or B. How many appliances أو كم جهاز devices that we can connect it to the circuit without blowing the fuse?
2.
So the maximum is 2,400. and how many 1200 watt? So it's going to be divided by 1200, which is 2 devices or 2 amperes.
Find the current that flows in a 40 watt flow used in a house. Voltage is 120. Compare this with the answer to the first part of problem 15.
So what are the givens in this case?
Power and the
Power voltage.
We have the voltage and the power. So I want you to find current equals P over V. 40 over 120 equals
Open 33. Open 33.
40 over
Open 33.
0.33.
33.
What's the unit? Next يعني السؤال مثل هذا ثواني قصيرة straight forward.
18 watt consumes 2 watt of electrical power. How much energy does it use each day?
As we gave some examples yesterday, device, air condition or whatever, how many time do you use it? So it's going to consume specific watt. For example, air condition 2000 watt, and you use it for 10 hours. Now you have a clock consume 2 watt. For how many days or how many times? 24 hours. Okay. So the energy is P multiplied by T. What's P? 2 watt multiplied by T in which unit? It's going to be a second. So 1 day, how many seconds? It's going to be 24 hours. Multiply each hour, how many seconds?
3,600.
Okay. The answer will be 172,800. What's the unit? Joule. The unit is joule. If we want it in kilowatt hour, what should we do? Divide by 600,000. 20. 20. No, 20. Number 20.
As caused by voltage of 200 million V and consists of current of 1000 ampere that flows for a fraction of a second. Collect power.
So, the lightning. What's the lightning? Sorry. How many voltage? 200 million volts. Okay? And the current is 1000. He wants you to find the power output. What is the power?
IV.
I multiplied by V. 1000 multiplied by 200 multiplied by 10 to the 6, huh? Million is 6. So the answer will be
200 gigawatt.
2 multiplied by 10 to the 11 watt. Okay. So this is the power of the light. لما يجي يقتل الإنسان البرق، يحرق الشجر، قوته رهيبة. So he wants you to find what? The power. The power equals I multiplied by V. 10 multiplied by 120 equals 1200 watts. Then, how many hours? They operating that device for 4 hours. How many? What's the energy in this case? The energy is going to be P multiplied by T. What is P? 1200 multiplied by T. 4 hours. Each hour 3600 seconds equals yeah. So 1200 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3600, right? Okay. So it's going to be in joule. If you, he said explicit in joule and kilowatt hour. You can say لا أكبر راح يكون. إيه ما راح يكون أكبر. 172 8. If you want it in kilowatt hour, there are two ways. ركزوا معي يا شباب لأن نوعية هذه الأسئلة كنت جاء في اختبار زي يعني يجيك الخيارات كانت بالكيلووات اور، يعني لازم أنت إيش تسوي؟
تحول.
لازم تحول كيلووات. عندك طريقتين. زين. هنا جول معناته وات سكند. زين. فالطريقة الأولى إنك تحول على القيمة التحويل اللي هو 3 مليون وأخذناها أمس كيف نحول 3,600,000. الطريقة الأولى. الطريقة الثانية E equals PT. P أنا أبغاها إيش؟ كيلو وات. هذا أبغاها بالكيلو وات وهذا أبغاها بإيش؟ بالأور. 1200 واط كم كيلو وات؟ 1.2. والثامن اور هو يعطيك اياه كم؟ 4. راح كم يطلع؟ 4.8. هذا كيلو وات وهذا اور. يا من الاساس او انك تطلع الناتج بالجول وتحوله الى كيلو وات اور. كيلو وات اور. 3,600,000. Why 3,600,000? 1 kilowatt equal hour. Kilo, what does kilo? 1,000. What does hour mean? 3,600. راح يطلع 3,600,000 كيلو وات سوري جول. 3,600,000 جول. $24. Start with A. He wants you to find the current. Equals P over V. He gave you P and gave you V. Equals
0.5.
B. Resistance.
V over I.
V over I. What is V?
120.
I
1.5. 240.
240 أوم. هذه مشكلة الأسئلة هذه إنك إذا اخطيت بشيء اللي بعده كان كله راح يكون خطأ. C. In C he changed the voltage. and he wants you to find the current equals V over R. Change the voltage, so the P has changed already. So you have to use Ohm's law. 60 over, what is the current, the resistance? 240, because he said stay the same. So you're going to use the same. 0.25? 2? D, the power in this case, IV, which is 60 multiplied by 0.25 equals 15, watt.
Yes.
واضح طالع ولا؟ واضح. Okay. 26. هذه مشكلة الأسئلة زي ما قلنا إن إذا اخترت في فقرة راح الباقي كله راح.
Resistance on electric stator is 10 ohms, voltmeter to 120 volts. How much energy does it use during 30 minutes of operation?
وهذا من الأسئلة بعد اللي هو multiple steps. It's not one step. It's not straightforward. He gave you the resistance and the volt and the time. He asked about energy. So what's the energy in this case? It's going to be E. We're going to say E equals P T, or here PT. We have the T, but we don't have the P. So we need another equation. So P equals IV. We have the V, but we don't have the R. We need a third equation. I equals, he gave you the resistance, so you need to use Ohm's law. It's going to be V over R. So we can solve it here, or we can go there and we say V over R multiplied by V equals ولا نحلها كذا احسن؟ يعني معادلة
معادلة معادلة.
على اساس لا تلخبط. طيب. It's going to be V. What is V? 120 over 10. Okay, 12. So we go there to this one and we said, okay, it's 12 multiplied by 120 equals 1440. What's the unit? 1. So وين الجزئية هذه؟ نرجع للمعادلة الأساسية. نقول 1440 multiplied by 30 by 60 equals 2592 1 2 3 40.
No, 3. 3.
3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros. What's the unit? Joule. So in order to get the answer, okay, first step, second step, and third. So each step is basically we solve it as a question, separate question. يعني كل الثلاث خطوات هذه كان عليها أول حلينا سؤال في البداية على أومز لو، بعدين حلينا سؤال على الباور، وحلينا سؤال على، فكأنها جمع لك ثلاثة أسئلة في سؤال واحد. مشكلة إذا ما أخذت ما حصلت على I correct here, the rest will be wrong. You need to be careful when you solve the problem. We're going to jump to the practical quiz, not going to